It is early on Tuesday morning, and the realtors are coming early, trying to sneak some pictures into the house before, well, I guess around the rainstorm that's currently here. We gotta bug out and grab the doggy and go have breakfast and give them a couple hours to shoot photos and then get the house listed, hopefully tomorrow.
We're letting go of it all. The house, the furniture, the routine, leaving behind careers, comfort, and everything we knew.
Chasing something we couldn't quite name, but knew we needed.
Out here, we're searching for more than just freedom. We're looking for healing, for peace, for the kind of quiet that only the sea can give.
This isn't just a sailing journey.
It's our way of starting over, together. This is Plan C.
Welcome aboard.
What, about the another showing? Yeah, I just talked to the realtor this morning and gotten at least 3 or 4 showings requests in the last 24 hours. So hopefully we'll get a good offer and move along.
Fuck yeah. All right, man. Well, I appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Cool.
If any of you guys live in the Midlothian area, be sure to check out Noel Summers over at River City Sign Installers. He was a big help with this shot. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Since we had more showings on the house, we went to Virginia Beach to kill a little bit more time. The guys looked for surfboards, and after that, we checked into the Marjac Hotel. As you can tell, the guys were very clearly not impressed. And while Virginia's beaches may not be extremely pristine, it does have one thing: monster trucks. I was able to catch this beautiful sight in the morning when I was having my coffee. And if you ever get a chance to visit Virginia Beach, my favorite thing to do here was probably leave. We checked out early.
Movies. I heart movies.
After that mandatory pit stop, we drove over to the Mariners Museum, which actually turned out to be pretty damn cool. I'm not much of a history buff, but seeing the centuries of nautical history and the stories of thousands of sailors that lost their lives at sea really put things into perspective for the voyage we were about to embark upon.
Pretty cozy?
Pretty cozy, man.
Awesome.
How you doing, Captain?
Back home in Virginia, our realtor had texted us some exciting news.
We got an offer, a really nice one. They offered us more than what we were asking and put down a good deposit, conventional financing. They want to close June 10th, so we are going to be on a time crunch. So they'll be taking care of the septic inspection first. That'll be tomorrow. We'll have a home inspection, termite inspection. As long as all 3 inspections go smoothly, we are a green light to head down to Florida and start looking for our boat.
Is it like hundreds of dollars a pitch or thousands of dollars a pitch? Yeah. What? Thousands?
Yeah. Yeah, so at least it's not the main tank that's damaged. It's just the distribution box was only, so big, but it's pretty much collapsed and it's 40 years old. We're gonna have to spend a couple $1,000s to fix it, but it's not $50,000 or something.
We don't have a solid answer from our buyers or from the inspection, but we have to move forward as if they still wanted the house. We're all scared at the idea of restarting this whole process over again, since we're so close to leaving. We're facing many unknowns and setbacks this week, but, like most things in life, Faith and patience in the universe to get you when and where you need to go is sometimes the only way to get there. Till next time.